Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the four most popular web browsers on your ZTE Axon 20. So, I'm gonna start from the Opera. In this web browser just click here on the tab icon, choose private and add on this little plus. That's it. The next one, Microsoft Edge. Like before, tab icon, in private and tab on the plus. Now the Firefox. In the welcome screen just click here and you are in the Incognito Mode, but if you have any tab opened, like before, tab icon, switch to the Zero Mask and add a private tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Now choose 3-dot icon or arrow icon, choose new Incognito tab, and now your history, cookies files, the completed forms or even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.